Hi, I'm David.
And I'm Alice.
And working together, we are Savvy Organics Farm.
I smoke around on the ones on the outside a little bit. Then I hit these up the door. And then, so they're all confused now.
Yeah, I got one.
It rises all the way through the hive.
Got one attacking me. He's crazy.
Alright, so that's enough right there. I killed it. Oh, I was going to kill the overgrown, but I guess I'll let him live. And smoke the top and get all these guys comfortable. Alright. They already out of food.
Are they?
Yep.
Looks like there's quite a few already in this top box. Is that just because the food's there, or?
Yeah, they're coming up to eat the food.
Oh yeah, they're piling out of that feeder.
Haven't made anything on this yet, which I would be shocked.
There's something on this suit that they absolutely driving these guys nuts. They're attacking me, it seems, more than they are you. You're doing the work.
Not seeing anything on here. They started to put a little bit of comb on a couple of these frames. Put the camera down in there, see all the ones at the bottom. This is our honey super. In about a week or a couple days, I'm gonna have a queen excluder. See, they've put this one down. Pull that frame out. After 1 week in the center frame, they've drawn that much comb.
Oh wow.
They're working at it. Definitely a lot happier than they were last week. And there's that much comb, and they've got even more on this frame and on the inside right here. Oh yeah. This is the one they've really been working on. We've already got.
Oh yeah, they're busy on there.
Coming down right there. It's not where I want you guys to work.
It's still unnerving being in here with all these stinging around my head and stuff with this thing on. Yeah. That's crazy. Mm-hmm.
These guys are doing good. I don't see any brood in here, which is good. I don't want brood up here. I have a lot of honey in here in a little bit. That's enough. Getting them all stirred up for today. Corn syrup and amino acids going into their feeder. guys. Yeah, they were bone dry.
It's amazing they drank all that already.
Yeah.
How long is it? This was a week or 2 weeks?
A week.
It was just a
A
week.
little less than a week, actually. This is their 3rd gallon in 2 weeks. Might have to slow down here in a little bit whenever if they're doing good. I don't want to give them too much of this stuff, but it's good right now. They're just making the comb on this top box, so they haven't started they put a little bit of nectar in it, but when they really start their honey production, I want them to use all the nectar from the flowers. Putting a little bit on the tops just to help them come all the way up.
Make them happy so they leave us alone at the house.
Oh yeah, these guys are happy. And last, I'm going to clean out the ladders. These little things are to help them crawl out of the feeder. Just to keep any dead bees out of here, so they can't get them out of the bottom of the ladder. And, drip as much in the hive as I can. A few dead bees in there.
I'm David with Savvy Organics Farm. Thanks for watching our video. I hope you enjoyed it. Check out our website at savvyorganicsfarm.com. Be sure and visit us and check us out on Facebook and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thanks and have a great day.